So guys, welcome to MojoCAD. So in today's tutorial, shall be looking at the flywheel. Yeah, excuse me. So we shall start with the right plane. Then we shall draw a line. It will come down like that. Go down, up, then like that. So we have 22 millimeters. Have 100 millimeters. We have 5 millimeters here. 5 millimeters here. Have 115. 155, 115. So this 0.03. There we are. And from here up to here, have 12. So I'm going to draw a line down here. That line is horizontal. It's also 17.5 millimeters from this point. Like that. So we shall make it construction line. Then we shall come here and say Revolve. So we shall do something like that. At this level, I'm going to draw a circle that's 50 mm in diameter, and so draw another one that is 160. Actually, I'm going to offset it through 8. Like that. And we are going to extrude cut through 6 millimeters. Like that. So we shall do the same thing here. However, we can also no, we want mirror. Let's just do the same thing here very fast. Did 5. $50 millimeters like that. You have to offset that 80 millimeters, then extrude cut for 6 millimeters, just like that. So there we are. So the next part, I'm going to be drawing simple then come here, this 100 like that. Then I try to check this. Okay, so I'm going to undo this very fast. And to just draw some simple lines. Maybe from here. $61.43. So I'm going to trim the parts out. Trimming that, then I'll do a pattern in the sketch. Yeah, it'll be circular. I'll take that, then this one by 4. I say okay. Yeah, so having reached that stage, I'm going to extrude cut through all. Like that. Then also I'm going to draw a circle here. It is 22 in diameter, because that's the size of the shaft. Then come back to this. So I'm going to extrude. So 22. Like that. Sorry about that. So from here, I'm going to draw my key away. It's measuring 80. 8 by 8. And we do what's called extrude cut step. Yeah, so this is our flywheel basically that we shall use. Thank you for watching.